Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome to your favorite entertainment program, Entertainment Daily, your ultimate go-to for your celebrity buzz and latest updates in your world of entertainment. Here at TVUCC, we give you nothing but premium content. My name is Elijah Dan, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. In today's update, Honorable Alexander Afenyo-Markin questions John Dumelo. John Legend performs in Lagos. And finally, Shirley Frimpong-Manso premieres her YouTube channel. Stick and stay with us, we would be right back. Welcome back as we delve deep into the details of this story. Ghanaian actor turned politician John Dumelo, who is also the MP for the Ayawaso West Wogon constituency, has been appointed as the Deputy Minister Designate for the Ministry of Agriculture. Yesterday, he was vetted by the Appointment Committee, which is headed by Honorable Afenyo-Markin and also Kweku George Ricketts Hagan. So during the vetting, John Dumelo was asked a few questions. So during the vetting, Honorable Alexander Afenyo-Markin asked John Dumelo of his religion. John Dumelo stated that he was a staunch Catholic member. So a follow-up question to this question was that, does he pay his tithe? John Dumelo also answered that he does pay his tithe, but he distributes it across different churches in the Ayawaso West Wogon. But he currently attends church in Airport City. So he was asked the name of his priest, but John Dumelo couldn't name the name of his priest. He was asked the name of his priest. John Dumelo said that they had changed him. He was asked what was the name of his previous priest, but he couldn't answer. So Honorable Afenyo-Markin then went on to state that it looked like John Dumelo had ambitions of becoming the president. John Dumelo also answered that he's just new into politics. There are lots of people ahead of him. He believes that every politician would want to go to the higher rank in politics. But currently, he is looking at 2058. And he made Honorable Afenyo-Markin laugh. Where Honorable Afenyo-Markin asked how old would he be, he states that he would be very old by then. So guys, let's go watch the video.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Are you a Catholic?
A staunch Catholic.
Ah, okay. Do you have a firm belief in the rosary, the power of the rosary?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, I have one here. Yes, please.
You brought your rosary?
Yes, please.
Are you familiar with St. Francis of Assisi's prayer?
No, that one I didn't get there.
Pardon?
But listening to you in some of the interviews in the vetting committees, yes, you've had a lot. You always say that prayer.
Lord, make me an instrument of your peace.
Yes, please.
Okay. You may want to read that prayer. I mean, it inspires me a lot. That great saint.
Thank you.
All right. Do you belong to any of the Catholic lodges? You know, the Catholic Church has some fraternal societies, the lodge. The Catholic Church also has lodges. The Knights of St. John's, the Marshal, these are lodges in the church. Do you belong to any of them?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Apart from being a mass servant when I was young, I don't currently belong to any society in the Catholic Church.
Are you a regular
churchgoer?
No, I'm not going to use churchgoer.
Sorry.
Are you an active member of the church? And if so, which parish do you belong?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Just be honest. You've been honest thus far. I mean, just be honest.
When I was in term, I entered St. Joseph the Worker Catholic Church.
Before, currently. Okay. Let's move, because you are the last for the day, correct?
Yes, please.
And we want to finish you quickly.
Thank you.
Currently, where is your parish? You've not been to church for a long time. You know, let's close this matter so that we make progress. You know, let's close this matter and then we make progress.
Mr. Chairman, I currently attend Mary Mother of Good Counsel Church Airport.
Regular?
It depends on your definition of regular.
Okay, so I will define it for you. Do you pay your tithe in the church? They have your records of tithe pay?
My dues, yes, please.
You regularly?
Yes, please.
So who is the parish priest there?
Mr. Chairman.
No, John,
Mr.
John, not Bojidi.
Mr. Chairman.
John, Bojidi. John.
Mr. Chairman.
John,
They just changed him.
Okay, John, the one they just changed, the one who has just been transferred. Give me his name. You know, Archbishop is listening to us. He's watching, and I know many Catholic priests are watching you and I,
yes,
including all the troublesome Catholics.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, as Member of Parliament of Ayawaso West Wogon, I do attend several churches in Ayawaso
John,
West Wogon.
You know, you are an honest person.
Yes, so far.
You have your rosary with you.
Yes, please.
We have all sinned.
Yes.
And falling short of the glory of God.
That's true.
Don't do this and that. The man you are going to work with, Eric Opoku,
yes,
he doesn't like this.
Yes, please.
If it is this, it is that.
Yes.
And then just own up, let's move away from there.
Yes, please.
The Mary Magda of Good Counsel.
Yes, please.
That you say you attend.
Yes.
Is that your parish or not? Be honest with me.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I do pay my dues.
No, we dues, Catholic dues.
Yes.
Dues at the place.
Church. Yes.
What about tithes?
Oh, I pay my tithe.
At the same place?
Yes, please. But I spread it across the other Catholic churches.
No. Menyo, Amega, Dumega, Medekuku now, please. The point is that the father who has just been transferred.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Are you now his counsel at large? Do you remember the name? The one you say has been transferred?
Mr. Chairman, no, please.
The new one who has come, do you know his name?
No, please. I've forgotten.
Okay. So you are from Greater Accra and Oti, correct?
Well, yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chairman, and also Central Region and Ashanti Region.
Oh, okay. John, it looks like you have some presidential ambition.
Oh,
yes, because the way, because there's going to be vacancy. No, it's a privilege to serve your nation. Don't run away from it. No. Don't run away. You are an actor, a businessman, an MP. Come 2028, there will be vacancy. President Mahama is not contesting again. The field will be open. You are from Oti, Greater Accra, Central, and Ashanti. Massa, you speak French. You speak Twi. Oh, you qualify. You are 41. You overqualified. In fact, you will be 44 in your prime age. Wouldn't you consider it?
Mr. Chairman, there are so many seniors ahead of me.
Okay, so not now.
Mr. Chairman, if it is the will of God,
yeah, all right.
Everyone who enters politics aspires to obviously get to the top. If it's
very
the
well
will of God for me to get to the top in 2058 or 2064, I will wait.
2058, you'll be. How old would you be in 2058?
Very old.
Because we are hearing Asedun Katia, Julius Debra, Eric Opoku. We are hearing Eric Opoku, Julius Debra, Asedun Katia, Asedu Fabakon, Asedun Katia Fabakon, Julius Debra Fabakon, Eric Opoku Fabakon.
Leader.
So we just want to be sure.
Leader.
So we can now say John Dumelo Fabakon.
Leader.
Guys, let's have your comments around this particular story. Let's move to Nigeria. American musician John Legend, known for his hit song All of Me, is making waves online. In a video that is circulating online, he is seen giving an electrifying performance at the Move African Global Citizen concert in Lagos. During his performance, he also shared the stage with Nigerian sensational singer Simi. Guys, let's go watch the video. Let's move back to Ghana. Ghanaian filmmaker and also director Shirley Frimpong-Manso, together with her production house, Spiral Productions, have premiered their YouTube channel named Spiral Station at the Labadi Beach Hotel. There were lots of celebrities like James Gardner, Jackie Appiah, Yvonne Okoro, amongst others, who were there to support the premiere of her YouTube channel. So during the premiere of the YouTube channel, Shirley Frimpong-Manso took the stage to deliver her speech. During the delivering of her speech, she had said that movie making has gone beyond aspirations because she believes that movie making goes beyond compelling content and it has become a profound way of reshaping the perception of Africa. She does not merely engage in storytelling, but movie making has become a catalyst for change. She said that previously she had explored different ways of distributing her movies, but now she had also thought of it and has decided to move onto the YouTube channel because YouTube has evolved over the years into something very big. She also says that she is pledging on delivering exceptional films, series, shows which are aimed at African excellence. She also believes that the more that people watch her content, the more that she will be able to create. Guys, let's go watch the video.
Say I hold the microphone. It doesn't stop me. Hello everyone. Hi. This is a surreal moment. As filmmakers, our aspiration goes beyond crafting compelling content. We strive to share our stories with the world. Film possesses a profound power to reshape perceptions, inspire new perspectives, and challenge societal norms. We are not merely storytellers, we are catalysts for change. Through our Spiral's 18-year history, we've explored various distribution platforms, seeking the perfect outlet for our vision. YouTube, in particular, has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years, redefining its content landscape. Now, we are proud to announce the launch of Spiral Station on YouTube. This holds tremendous promise. Our pledge is to deliver exceptional films, series, and shows that showcase African excellence. However, this endeavor relies on your engagement. We're introducing the Watch to Create model, where your viewership directly inspires new content. The more you watch, the more you create. We invite African content enthusiasts worldwide to join us on this exciting journey.
Guys, let's have your comments on this particular story. That will be all for today. I am Elijah. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. See you on our next episode. Have a nice day.